I. Here, how are imaginary numbers shown? 2 plus I3. That is an imaginary number. These imaginary numbers cannot be shown on the number line, and real numbers can be shown on the number line. So this statement is true. Next, a real number p is said to be the root of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 if ap square plus bp plus c equals to 0. So it means that if you input the value of p in this instead of x, you must get 0. So that is true. Every root must satisfy the equation. So if alpha or p is the root of the equation this, then a alpha square plus b alpha plus c should be equal to 0. Or if p is the root in our case, then ap square plus bp plus c should be equal to 0. So that's why it is true. Next, if the roots of an equation x square plus 2cx plus ab equals to 0 are real and unequal, then the equation x square minus 2 into a plus b into x plus a square plus b square plus 2c square equals to 0 has dash roots, means real or imaginary. So what is given? Roots are real and unequal, therefore b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0, right? If they are equal, then equals to 0. Therefore let's see this. Now what is b over here? 2c. 2c square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is ab. So 2c the whole square minus 4ab equals to greater than 0. Therefore 4c square minus 4ab greater than 0. Therefore c square minus ab greater than 0. Okay, this much is clear. Now check this similarly, b square minus 4ac for the second equation. Here we don't know whether it's greater than or equal to or less than 0. We have to check. Okay, so to watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.